Q3 for Great Park. Here's another Vulture, this time for St Peter's Basin, as well as an Arriva bus of some sort. 5802. X22 for Newcastle. With a poppy on the front. He's flashing. Right, now coming in is an Arriva X21 service for Newbiggin. Or Newbiggin by the Sea. And there's an X15 coming in for Morpeth, then Alnwick, I believe. And here comes the next 15 for Morpeth, then Alnwick. And here comes a 43 from Newcastle whilst the 902 departs. 7615. Why is the 5 yellow and the rest of them white? Come on, Arriva. Poppy bus. Had that the other day. There is LK09EOD, which has just been sitting there for quite a while. JH coaches. I was also informed that the 2 Stagecoach buses in operation. There's an X20 for Ashington. Anyway, I was informed that the 2 Stagecoach buses in operation are both Euro 4. So what that means is Stagecoach are paying 50 quid a day for these buses to enter the city. So, oh, he's parking there. Great. Right, well, we'll get him when he comes out of the lay-by. NK60DNJ. And then here comes a 43 for Newcastle and a Q3 for Wallsend. And the X20 is setting off for Ashington, then Alnwick. And we'll spin round for an X11 to Blythe. Look at all these buses. Fantastic. And we've got an X46 for Newcastle. For Stanley travel. 635 on a 43 for Newcastle. And there's something with horrendous panels. 1493 on whatever it is on. No idea. Right, after a long time we finally have a 900 coming in. Yeah. Well, he's late, that's why, you can tell, because there's not been one here in ages. No. Yeah, I know. There's another 900. Caution school bus, I'm not sure about that. Comes 900 number 2. Another custom plated Omni City or Omni Decker, I think Omni City, however. 1495 departing with an X9 for Newcastle. Right, VNP893's off. Another caution school bus advertisement. And finally our 902 is here. This is probably going to be very quiet.